Once again, fourth graders, and welcome to our 17th session of our literary essay unit, the literary essay writing about fiction. Today our focus is going to be using yesterday's learning, today and always. As we look back and think about all the charts and work that we've done so far this unit, there's a lot to be proud of. So even though we have begun a new endeavor called Compare and Contrast Essays, it is important for you to use all you've learned about writing literary essays, in particular as you tackle this new project. Even though this is a new project, you are still writing in general, and writing more specifically literary essays. Today I want to remind you that you already know a whole lot about writing essays. You can draw on what you know about stories and essays of all sorts to help you structure and elaborate in your writing. Today I want you right now to take out all the drafts and planning that you've been working on and put them in front of you. Have them nearby. I want you to look really closely at your work and ask, what is on these charts? What is on your writing journals? What prior learning have I forgotten to apply to my writing? If you have your personal goal sheet, you can also take a look at that, keeping yourself accountable for your goals. Well, before you head off today to work, you're going to make a list of the things from the charts that you need to remember to add to you and your assignments as you work. After you've done that, you're going to get started on your writing. And always remember that all that you learned last week and last month is always still precious today. Basically, fourth graders, for your writing assignment today, I would like you to further our compare and contrast work that we've been doing lately by choosing two books or stories that you have been reading lately, or at least over the last few months. Over the last couple of days, we've looked at stories like Cinderella and Charlotte's Web, and you've compared Cinderella and Fox for your assignment yesterday. Today I'd like you to take two different stories that you've been reading and find three similarities and differences for those two books. So I'm going to challenge you to share both of the titles when you share this with your teacher. Share both titles so the teacher knows what they are, and you're going to share three similarities and three differences between those two particular stories. You can get started as you work on this very special work today using yesterday's learning, today and always. Good luck. Get started.